Hello, and thank you for clicking on the help video. I will explain how to determine the domain of this graph that we see here. Well, in the scenario of the graph that we see here, we see that this graph, it has a discontinuity. It's not connected again at a value, and that value again happens to be at this vertical position of x equals 1. So the domain, it will include anything to the left of 1, anything to the right of 1, but not the value of 1 itself. So therefore, that means that the domain as an interval, let me first write it as, no, I'm sorry, an equality. Let me write it as an equality first, will not include that value. So x cannot equal to that value of 1. Now, to represent this concept as an interval notation, we're going to simply state that x could be anything to the right of this vertical line. Notice that the graph exists to the left, left of this vertical line, and also to the right of this vertical line. So that would be all of the x values from negative infinity to 1, or all of the values from 1 all the way to positive infinity. And there you have your domain in both notations, in your inequality notation here on the top, and your interval notation right here in the bottom.